As some of you may know, on my outdoor and nature channel, I am a bird watcher, especially when I'm on the lake, paddling and fishing. But I also like to watch birds right outside my window. To do that, you can use bird feeders. I want to show you a feeder that is called a Squirrel Buster. It is a rather pricey feeder because it is very big, but more importantly, it deters squirrels from stealing your bird seed. Does it work? And is it worth it? Let's try it out. First, let's quickly unbox our new toy. Got something in the mail. Let's check it out. Unboxing something fun. It's a big box. It's for the birds. Got the Squirrel Buster to keep the squirrels away. The birds can have all the seeds for themselves. No squirrels allowed. Oh my god. Cats are running all over the place. Let's unbox it. Looks good. Spanking new. Nice and big, so you can put a lot of seed in it. So it's the Squirrel Buster Plus. And this is the way it works. The squirrel is too heavy. He jumps on this and closes off the holes. But a bird is much lighter in weight when it lands on these pegs, can access the bird seed. Comes with a cylindrical platform to go on the outer perimeter of these pegs, and instructions. It's always good to have instructions, right? These are all the birds this feeder is good for. All songbirds. Loosen this so the pegs can be pushed in a little bit. And put this right back there. It can be tightened in place. The pegs won't move. Press down, twist, and it's ready to go. I had this bird feeder before, but the paint started to chip after 7 years. This model has a plastic top, so it won't rust. I've been getting a lot of birds lately, and this large capacity feeder lasts about 5 days. The first test. Here comes a pesky squirrel now. Watch how persistent he is. See how he is holding on for dear life, but his weight is closing the portholes, preventing him from accessing any of the seeds. He gave up. Success. Now the birds can return and enjoy their seed. There's a nice robin and a white-breasted nuthatch sharing the feeder. The little rodent tries again another time. He has good dexterity to balance himself, but still no luck. Success again. The squirrel is back again. Here's one last try. Let's watch. The squirrel knows he's out of luck. All he can do is scrounge up a few bits of seed that fall onto the patio. I have to say, my cats are very entertained. They wouldn't mind meeting him face to face. The squirrel's lucky my cats are all indoor cats. In conclusion, my birds are happy. As I like to say, no squirrels allowed. The Squirrel Buster is a success. If you want to keep greedy squirrels out of your hard-earned birdseed, I recommend the Squirrel Buster. Now if I could only stop the horde of grackles from attacking my feeder. Oh well, you can't win them all. Thank you for watching my test and demonstration of the Squirrel Buster bird feeder. And we'll see you next time on my Outdoor and Nature channel.